school. In this section, we are going to dealing with pair of linear equations in two variables. Our topic name is pair of linear equations in two variables. So, how to useful in the pair of linear equations in real life? In real life situations, so let us consider the situations in your daily life. Just if you go to the market, your friends and along with your family. But I am going to the fruit market. I observe all the fruits. But I have the interest only two fruits. The first fruit is first term fruit. Second fruit is guava fruit. So in these two fruits, I have taken. But the shopkeeper given expenditure is 12 rupees. 12 rupees. But we don't know the values of in these two fruits. The first fruit you will take the X rupees, and the second fruit you will take the Y rupees. So in this total expense, the shopkeeper given me and 5 rupees. So how to given me this 5 rupees? We can see that X plus Y is equal to 5 rupees. So we don't know the values of the X and Y values. X and Y values. So how to prove the X plus Y is equal to 5? So the shopkeeper given expense only 5 rupees, but we don't know the individual prices. So how to find out the individual prices? So here by using the hit and parallel method. Hit and parallel method, we can use the sum pair of linear equations. See, let us consider first time, let us assume that if X is equal to 3 rupees and Y is equal to 2 rupees. Y is equal to 2 rupees. Now, in these two values substitute in the what is the given the equation. What is the given the linear equation substitute. So, X replacement with 3 plus Y replacement with 2. That is equal to 5. So what do you observe? This left hand side and the right hand side, both the values are equal. So when the left hand side and the RHS value both are equal, the given equation are satisfied. The given equation is satisfied. So again we want another real life situation. So same example, we have taken the two fruits. So we can more values of in these two equations. So in these two values, if you take in here 3 rupees and 2 rupees, our wish we have taken by using the hit and parallel method. See for example, X is equal to 4 rupees, Y is equal to 1 rupee. So we can add in this one 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Then what do you understand here? What values are possible? The value substitution after LHS equal to RHS. Then satisfy the given the equation, given the linear equation. Why here it is a consideration of the linear equation in the above equation. Why? Because X plus Y is equal to 5. If you observe the left hand side here, how many variables are there? 2 variables are there. One is the X variable, another one is the Y variable. So left hand side we have both the 2 variables. So it can be known as the linear equation. Linear equation in 2 variables. Again, you have to observe the X plus Y is equal to 5. So the power notation, the powers any value is not there. So any power is not value is given, that value should be consideration as 1 only always. X to the power of 1 plus Y to the power of 1 is equal to 5. This is the equation number 1. X to the power of 1 plus Y to the power of 1 is equal to 5. When the powers is 1, the equation is known as the linear equations in two variables. So this is the first situation. Same situation, if you go to your friends or anyone, you have collected some fruits. The fruits values you have taken any value, but you have, for example, you have taken here one fruit value is equal to 2x rupees, another fruit value is equal to y. This is equal to the 12. So 2x plus y is equal to 12. So if you observe, this is the equation number 2. Why? Because here also x variable and the y variable. So x and y variables, if the power is not there, the power value always 1. So it is called the linear pair of the two linear equations, because 2x to the power of 1 plus y to the power of 1 is equal to 12. So this is the equation number 2. So what do you observe the equation number 1 and equation number 2? First we have to take the, let us consider first equation number 1. Equation number 1. You should find out you take the any values. For example, if x is equal to 1, then x replacement with 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 5. So therefore y is equal to 5. So when the left hand side the positive symbol, then is going to the right hand side minus. So minus 1. Y is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. So if you take x is equal to 1, then you got the y is equal to 4. Next, if you have this is the first pair of order. First pair of order. That is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4. So this is the first pair of the order given the first equation. Next, if you take another values in the substitute the values, if x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 value substitute in the again above the equation. 2 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5. So when the left side is the positive symbol, then is right side is going the negative symbol. So minus 2. So y is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So this is the second pair of order. That is x comma y, that is equal to 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Now we got the two pair of orders. The first pair of order is 1 comma 4 and second pair of order is 2 comma 3. So in these two pair of orders we can use in the how to use in the graphical representation. How to use in the graphical representation we have, and y value is 4. So we have locate the point. The point named as A. Next we have observed the second pair of order. So x value is equal to 2 and y value is equal to 3. X value 2 and y value is 3. This plot named as B. Next, after we got the two plots, the first plot named as A and second plot named as B. So in these two plots, and draw the one straight line. So this is the first pair of order 1 comma 4. Second pair of order 2 comma 3. So this is the given the equation x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. So what do you observe? The first equation after linear equation in two variables. We can conclude that what you got the linear equations. We can conclude that It has a one straight line. Next, observe the second equation. Already got 2x plus y is equal to 12. So this is the equation number 2. This one also, by using the hit and trial and error method, you will take x values after you got the y values. For example, if x is equal to 2, then x instead of 2 substitute plus y is equal to 12. 2 2s are 4 plus y is equal to 12. So therefore y is equal to 12 minus 4. So y is equal to 12 minus 4, 8. Next, second pair of order. If x is equal to 4, then 2 into 4 plus y is equal to 12. So 2 4s are 8 plus y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. Now we got the another equation, another two pair of orders. So first pair of order is here 2 comma 8, and second pair of order 4 comma 4. In these two pair of equation, again by using the graph sheet. Already have learned the first graph sheet in the straight line. Now if you observe the second graph, so already got the second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 12. Again we got the two pair of orders. The first pair of order is 2 comma 8 and second pair of order is 4 comma 4. So in these two pair of orders, how keeping in the plots by using the graph sheet. So if you take, already you know that the horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line it is called the y-axis. So in these two axes intersect at the common point. The common point name as origin. Origin it is denoted by the letter O comma O. So if we observe the pair of orders 2 comma 8 and 4 comma 4. If you observe the first pair of order, x value is equal to 2 and y value is equal to 8. 2 comma 8. This is the first plot. Next, the second pair of order, x value is 4 and y value is 4. This is the another plot. So if we observe this plot name as C and this plot name as D. So in these two plots we can keep the another straight line. So this is the another straight line we can using in the second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 12. So already you got the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. First equation already, for example, assume that here x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is equal to 12. So what you observe is two equations. In these two equations intersect at the common point. The common point name as we can take any variable P. So then what you observe, equation number 1 and equation number 1, equation number 1 and equation number 2, they are at intersect at the one common point. The common point name as P. So P is called the intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means when the two lines are intersect at the common point. The common point name as the P. The common point name as P, then it is called the intersecting the lines. So in this situation, again we can use in general now up to we can use all this one just by using the real life of the situations in the pair of linear equation, the two variables. But the exactly topic is already you know the general form of the linear equation. The two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then it is called the general form of the linear equation. General form of the linear equation in two variables where a comma b and c are real numbers. A comma b and c are called real numbers, but the condition is a comma b not equal to 0. The condition is a comma b not equal to 0. See, for example, this is the general form of the linear equation, two variables. For example, you have given the equation, for example, 2x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Plus 8 is equal to 0. So how to find out the a, b and c values? It can very easy. X before number it is called the a value, y before number it is called the b value, the last constant number it is called the c value. So we can conclude that here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 8. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 8. Why? Because this is in this equation it is the form of the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So then it is called the linear equation in two variables. This equation is known as the system of the equations or simultaneous equation of the equations also. It is possible. So but in this linear pair of the two general form of the linear equation, again we want the, let us consider another two pair of the linear equations. Let us consider a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here also one condition is there. The condition is a1 comma b1 c1 a2 comma b2 are real numbers. Real numbers. Here also one condition is that a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. So this is the system of the linear pair of the equations. The first linear pair of the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2. So in these two equations, we can solve the one method. Pair of the linear equation, the two variables, if we given the general form, we have the three methods. The first method is elimination method. So if we see the elimination method, let us consider first example, x plus y is equal to 8. This is the equation number 1. Next, the second one, x minus y is equal to 2. This is the equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 8. Equation number 1, x minus y is equal to 2. So in these two equations, we can use so many methods. But we can use the here only elimination method. Elimination method means one variable should be cancelled. What the variable should be cancelled here? Plus y minus y cancelled. Then after here x plus x 2x. 2x is equal to 8 plus 2 10. So 2x is equal to 10. We can do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. This 5 value substitution any one equation. First equation or second equation. Put x is equal to 5. Substitution in given equation number 1 or 2. See the first equation, x plus y is equal to 8. So what you got the x value? X is equal to 5. So x instead of 5, 5 plus y is equal to 8. Therefore y is equal to 8 minus 5. So therefore y is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. So we got the solution set of the given the two pair of the linear equations. Therefore the solution set is x comma y that is equal to 5 comma 3. So this is called the elimination method. So in this type of the methods and substitution method, cross multiplication method, reduced equation methods also possible.